Shandong Mingda Packing Products Company Limited, established in 2006, is located in Qingzhou, Shandong Province, far away from Qingdao Port, 140 kilometers, away from Qingdao Airport, 190 kilometers, away from Jinan Airport, 160 kilometers. Also has convenient transportation and strategic location, and it is the largest packaging products manufacturing enterprises in Shandong Province. For decades, Mingda Company owns an area of 50 acres and 20,000 square meters plant, has developed into one of the modern large-scale packing enterprises, including set design, production, sales, and service. Mingda Company adapts a way of a group of companies operating, clear division of labor, setting medical dressings, packaging division, paper containers division, plastic food packaging division. Products include used in all kinds of coated paper cups and food packaging, used in medical devices, pharmaceuticals, and packaging medical dressing with a 4-combination packaging, used in food packaging aluminum foil bag, suitable for coffee cups, cold disposable cups from 4 to 22 OZ and other products, and according to customized packaging, design, weight, it meets the needs of different consumer groups. Milk cup, disposable drinking cups, and other products are used of flexographic printing, which complying with FDA food containers and packaging standards. The company owns advanced processing equipment, including 8 sets of a flexographic printing process, 5 sets of automatic reel cutting machine, 2 sets of a gravure printing machine, 2 sets of a CNC machine and a bag making machine, and more than 60 sets of automatic paper cups, detection machines, and so on. The clean lines level meets with the regulation. Directly contact with the drug packaging material and a containers management approach. And the purified regional standards reaches 100,000. High technical equipment and high standards of management fully guarantee the quality of the product and the process, making the company's technical performance reach an advanced level. As a professional packaging product, research and development, production enterprises, Mingda Packaging has always regarded the product quality and a corporate reputation as a driving force. Thus, the company has achieved ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 13485 Medical Device Quality Management System certification, CIQ China Entry-Exit Inspection and Quarantine License, SDS certification, QS National Industrial Production License, Shandong Province Health Department Disinfection Products Manufacturing Enterprises Health Permits, etc., which is the designed Chinese packaging products manufacturing enterprises. Product quality and a corporate reputation is the key of a company. The company is equipped with advanced detection equipment, raw materials, semi-finished products for strict testing and quality control to ensure stable product quality and provide stable quality packaging produced to customers. For many years, Mingda Packaging Product covered over 30 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions, even exported to the United Kingdom, the United States, Israel, Japan, Southeast Asia, France, Switzerland, and other countries. From the design, production, product inspection and testing, packaging, transportation, service, the company effectively controlled the quality and delivery orders through the complete production process, at the same time using up the 6S management system strictly, providing a reliable, sustainable enterprise development power, which make Minda not only pre-qualified rate in the customer satisfaction rate reach to 100%, but also achieve continuous technological innovation within ensuring the customer service requirements.